If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To check the transaction history in QuickBooks, on the upper right corner, click the setting icon, then click the audit log. Once you're on the audit log, you will see the overall transaction of your QuickBooks account. You can see all the events history in your QuickBooks account. Here you can select all transaction, budget, forecast, data exchange, deleted violated transaction, list, and many more, as this is for the history log. So if you want to check the transaction, just click the all transaction and it will sort through transaction history only. And that's it. That's how you check the transaction history in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.